barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission, where the VHP, that is the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, has been protesting. They have broken two layers of barricadings. As of it, we can clearly see the kind of security that can be seen here. The Delhi police forces and the paramilitary forces have in fact kept four layers of barricading every few meters so that the protesters can be stopped here. Clearly, the people are quite agitated over the situation of Hindus in Bangladesh. They have said that this needs to be stopped and the government needs to take some action towards what has happened in Bangladesh. They are carrying the posters and placards here where they have clearly said that the kind of situation of Hindus in Bangladesh is quite worrying and that something should be done and this situation should be in fact contained there. Many of the people have brought the effigies of Bangladesh in their hands and are currently trying to in fact also burn the effigies here at the Chanakyapuri area where the protest is in fact right now going on. We'll also try to talk to some of the people who are right here protesting. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
रमन भारद्वाज।
जिस तरीके से आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ मांगे हैं आपकी?
देखिए, सबसे पहली मांग तो ये है कि हिंदुओं का पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है उसको रोका जाए, उसके ऊपर एक्शन लिया जाए। कहीं भी किसी इस तरह का प्रदर्शन हो रहा है तो उस पर साथ दें, सरकार हमारा साथ दे। हम कोई हत्या करने नहीं आए हैं, वहाँ पे तो हत्या हो गई है, हिंदुओं की हत्या हो रही है। उसको हम कैसे प्रोटेस्ट करें? शांतिपूर्ण प्रोटेस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, हम श्री राम का नाम लेके आगे बढ़ना चाह रहे हैं।
The second layer of barricading that the people here are trying to topple over. There's a scuffle that is going on between the protesters and the Delhi police. They are trying to burn the effigies just outside the barricading, and also we are seeing the Delhi police who's trying to hold the fort here so that the protesters could not go ahead of this particular area because Bangladesh High Commission is at a very high security zone, and we are showing the visuals of how the protesters are trying to break the second layer of barricading here. They are constantly trying to march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. They have marched from the very end of this road and have in fact reached here very near, very close to the Bangladesh High Commission. We'll also try to show you the visuals of what is currently happening here, the kind of visuals that can be seen here. Massive protest that has been going on, and the people here, the people from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, clearly asking for justice over what has happened in Bangladesh, the lives of Hindus that was in fact lost there. They're asking that the government should take necessary steps to ensure that the Hindu population in Bangladesh is safeguarded and the situation should not be seen again where the Hindus living in Bangladesh should be targeted like this, like what has happened here in the past few days after this whole situation, this whole violence in fact took place in Bangladesh. That is why we are seeing the kind of protest here at the Chanakyapuri area outside, barely 700 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission.